Hello dear fans. How to make a mineral. Minerals are striking in their beauty and appearance. Light passing through the mineral is refracted and scattered into several thousand different shades. A beautiful and unique mineral can be made with your own hands at home. A lot of minerals are formed in water that is oversaturated with mineral components. You can use this method of mineral formation. Necessary: powder of copper sulfate, a small bank, stick, a thread, salt, hot water. Instructions. Step 1. You can make a beautiful mineral in two colors, blue or transparent white. To make a blue mineral, you need copper sulfate, and for a transparent white one, table salt. Copper sulfate powder can be purchased at almost every fertilizer store. You need to purchase 100 grams. You need to take the same amount of table salt. Step 2. Now find a small jar. If you make a crystal from copper sulfate, then it is best to throw the jar away, since copper sulfate is a deadly poison. Fill the jar with hot water. Now you need to take the thread. Tie one end of it to a stick, the length of which should exceed the diameter of the can, so that you can put the stick on the edges of the can so that the thread is submerged in water. Select large grains of copper sulfate and tie them on a thread. Pour the rest of the grains into a jar of hot water and stir thoroughly. Please note that the solution must be oversaturated, only then can you grow the mineral. If you decide to use salt, then you just need to pour it into a jar of water and stir thoroughly. It is also necessary to obtain a supersaturated solution. Step 3. Dip the thread into the jar and place the jar away from children. Over time, as the sediment falls, the mineral will begin to grow. If you used vitriol, then its grains, tied to the thread, will begin to grow. If you use table salt, the crystal will form right on the strand. The crystal can grow for an unlimited amount of time. Therefore, monitor the size of the crystal daily. Step 4. Remember that you need to take the thread out of the jar every day, heat the water, stir it and lower the crystal back into the jar. Thanks for watching.